Welcome back to Artos Hub, where we explore some of the most exciting vehicles imagined for the future. Today, we are stepping into the world of American muscle with the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, a bold reimagining of a classic legend. This vehicle is designed to combine the raw power and aggressive styling of the original Chevelle SS with modern performance technology and luxury touches, creating a car that is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Chevelle SS 454, it commands attention. The long sculpted hood hints at the monstrous power underneath, while the wide stance and muscular fenders give it a purposeful, aggressive presence. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the car a modern edge. Air vents, aerodynamic sculpting, and subtle carbon fiber accents enhance performance while adding to the visual impact, blending classic Chevelle cues with futuristic design elements. Under the hood, the Chevelle SS 454 offers a variety of powertrain options designed to satisfy both purists and modern enthusiasts. The top-of-the-line 7.4-liter big block V8 produces jaw-dropping horsepower, delivering instant torque and an unmistakable exhaust note that pays homage to the muscle cars of the past. Advanced engine management systems, adaptive suspension, and selectable drive modes ensure that this power is harnessed efficiently, providing both a thrilling track experience and comfortable highway cruising. The interior is a careful balance of classic inspiration and modern technology. Premium materials, leather-trimmed seats, and a driver-focused cockpit create an immersive driving environment. Digital displays seamlessly integrate with analog-style gauges, providing vital information at a glance while maintaining the vintage muscle car feel. Infotainment, connectivity, and climate control systems are all designed for convenience without compromising the retro-inspired aesthetic. Safety and handling have also been reimagined for the 2026 Chevelle SS 454. Advanced braking systems, traction control, and precision steering ensure that drivers can confidently explore the car's performance capabilities, while optional performance packages offer enhanced track-ready setups for enthusiasts seeking the ultimate driving experience. The combination of classic muscle car design with modern engineering principles results in a car that is not only visually striking, but also capable of delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Every line, curve, and detail of the 2026 Chevelle SS 454 has been meticulously crafted to honor its heritage while pushing into the future. This is a car for those who appreciate American muscle in its purest form, yet demand the performance, comfort, and technology expected from a modern vehicle. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 continues to impress when you slide behind the wheel. Every aspect of the driving experience has been meticulously engineered to deliver a perfect balance of power, control, and excitement. The large, torque-rich V8 engine roars to life with a deep, throaty growl, immediately connecting the driver to the raw muscle car heritage of the Chevelle. Yet, modern refinements ensure that despite the immense power, the car remains manageable on daily roads and spirited drives alike. Handling has been transformed with a fully independent suspension system and performance-tuned shock absorbers. The wide, sticky tires grip corners with confidence, and the precise steering offers excellent feedback, making even high-speed maneuvers feel controlled. For enthusiasts who enjoy pushing limits, selectable drive modes allow you to switch between comfort-oriented cruising, aggressive sport handling, and a track-focused setup that optimizes every element of the chassis, braking, and power delivery. This ensures that the Chevelle SS 454 adapts to different driving scenarios seamlessly. The braking system is equally impressive, featuring large ventilated discs with multi-piston calipers to provide consistent stopping power. Whether navigating tight city streets or high-speed tracks, the brakes inspire confidence, allowing the driver to fully exploit the car's potential without compromise. Traction control and stability management systems work in the background, intervening only when necessary, preserving the pure driving thrill that fans of classic American muscle cars expect. Inside, the cabin continues the theme of heritage meets modern technology. Deeply bolstered sports seats keep occupants secure during aggressive cornering, while premium materials like soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents elevate the interior feel. The center console integrates an intuitive infotainment system with navigation, media streaming, and smartphone connectivity. Analog-inspired dials coexist with a digital display, offering all necessary information without losing the retro muscle car vibe. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. Despite its performance focus, the Chevelle SS4 Feet 4 offers ample interior space and thoughtful storage compartments. Ergonomically placed controls ensure a driver-centric layout, while modern conveniences like climate control, adaptive lighting, and premium audio enhance long drives. Comfort and refinement have been carefully balanced with performance, making the car not just a weekend thrill machine but also suitable for longer journeys. Attention to detail extends to exterior aerodynamics and materials. Lightweight aluminum and composite panels reduce overall weight, improving both performance and fuel efficiency. Subtle aerodynamic enhancements, like a rear diffuser and front splitter, improve stability at higher speeds while retaining the iconic Chevelle silhouette. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS454's performance isn't just about straight-line speed. It's about a complete driving experience. The engine's responsiveness is phenomenal, with instantaneous throttle reaction and an expansive torque curve that keeps the car feeling lively at all speeds. Shifting between gears in the advanced manual or automatic transmission is smooth yet precise, allowing the driver to stay fully connected to the powerful V8 under the hood. Every acceleration feels purposeful, making even everyday drives exciting. Suspension and chassis tuning give the Chevelle an extraordinary balance. Cornering at high speeds demonstrates the car's agility, with minimal body roll and excellent weight distribution. Engineers have ensured that despite its muscular stance, the car handles with poise. Whether navigating tight curves on a country road or pushing it to the track, the Chevelle communicates every detail of the road, allowing the driver to feel fully in control while enjoying the thrill of performance. The braking system continues to impress, combining power with modulation. Even under hard driving conditions, the brakes remain consistent, giving confidence during spirited driving sessions. Advanced electronic aids like stability and traction control work subtly, enhancing safety without taking away the raw driving sensation. This combination of old-school muscle and modern safety technology allows the Chevelle SS454 to be both exhilarating and reliable. Inside, the cabin offers comfort and technology designed for today's driver. The deeply bolstered seats keep occupants secure while providing long drive comfort. Materials like soft-touch leather, polished aluminum, and carbon fiber accents provide a premium feel without losing the classic muscle car character. The center console integrates a modern infotainment system, offering navigation, media streaming, and smartphone connectivity. Analog gauges paired with digital displays give a clear view of the car's performance metrics while retaining the retro aesthetic fans love. Ergonomics and practicality have also been thoughtfully considered. Controls are within easy reach, climate control ensures passenger comfort, and the premium audio system delivers crisp sound that complements the engine's roar rather than competing with it. Even with its performance-oriented focus, the Chevelle SS454 remains a usable vehicle for longer drives or weekend adventures. Exterior design continues the perfect blend of heritage and modernity. The bold, aggressive stance with muscular lines and flared fenders echoes the Chevelle legacy, while modern aerodynamic enhancements subtly improve stability and efficiency. Lightweight materials reduce overall weight and enhance performance without compromising durability. Every visual element, from the iconic grille to the rear spoiler, reinforces the car's identity as a modern classic.